still? Yeah, it's gone. Okay. All right. Some poulenc. Poulenc. Oh, okay. It is a little fast, yeah. Can you relax it? Let's start it again nice and easy. Okay, all right. This is actually more than I've ever heard you do.
Oh,
You've never gone this far before. And it is, okay, so
I thought you just haven't heard the top of it.
I mean, I haven't heard any of that page, and I guess we got around the grace notes, but I don't remember much after that.
Oh, yeah.
So,
It fell apart on that last page.
well, maybe that's because it is a lot better. I have to say, and I please don't take this the wrong way. I actually mean it in a good way. But this is the first time that I feel like I can feel the music and what's going on now.
Mm.
Before, I just felt like it
Yeah.
was all a note struggle and that's all there was. Now I'm starting to feel like, okay, I can see where he's going with this. It's really beautiful music. So it's great now because I think we can talk more about the musicality of this, which will apply as you continue to learn the rest.
Yes.
Um,
This is tricky.
One thing that I want to commend you on though is the grace note part. That actually was really lovely.
This one?
Yeah, when you went up and you got there and you had the crossover and then it came down in the triplets, I was like, yeah, yeah. I thought that was really lovely. So one of my big things now is the touch and the control of this. I think because it is still a little bit like, oh, please help me get the notes, even though it's better. I feel like it's almost a little bit grabby.
Yeah.
And with this, it's melancholy. I just feel it's a little too notey. But can it be follow through and then all of this? So just ring the melodies and let these be as smooth as possible. I'm actually doing too much rubato. What does it say? Sans rubato.
None.
Yeah, it's without. So that's really interesting. So I think that's an argument to actually take it a little bit slower so that you have time for expressive time like that. And then you can control the inner voices. Now I don't think it has to be metronomic necessarily, but yeah. Can we try that? So sync. That's okay, but the balance is already better. These are ringing out more. Just make sure they're consistent. Every once in a while, there's one that kind of dies away, and it's like, oh.
Yeah.
But this, yeah. And I really want to say how good, and I know this might seem like a tiny little thing, but the end of measure 1, and when it happens again here, I heard that. When you come down like this, whoop, Amber Alert.
Oh, I turned those off. They scare me so bad. They're never nearby.
I think yours went off too.
No, that's straight.
Oh, okay. So the tendency, that's actually what I just did, because you've got to get down. A lot of people would do that both times consistently. It was exactly the same in a good way. And then you so lightly and effectively got to the
I
bottom.
could do it better than that, though.
But those things are already what you should be thinking about. This is great, because you're doing a lot of that. And now I'm just basically helping you to try to do this in a more tender is the word. Tender is the word.
What does this mean?
The melody should be brought out, is what that means. And chant doucement un verre.
That's what.
Excuse my French.
That's too loud.
So it means the melody should be brought out. And then basically the accompaniment is more enveloped or wrapped up in the pedal. So basically it's more sustaining the movement. So You've got exactly like what we're talking about. Sorry, you know the notes better than me now. I've never played this, as you know. So the melody should be kind of coming out like bells, and the rest of this is supportive, like undulating waves underneath. And in fact, I don't know if I would use una corda yet, just because piano alone, I think it's going to be harder to get that the hole. And I think you can do it. Not yet.
Wait, okay. Okay.
It is the note though. So I'm sorry to stop you. It feels like that's still kind of going down. I really appreciate the expressive intention, but I think you should pull it back a little bit. Let it instead of because that's more rubato. There it is. That was a good tone in the melody. That's okay. Yeah. That beat was a little soft. It's okay. Yeah, that might be something you want to double check. Has that happened? Oh, fingering question?
Something's always I'm doing like that.
So I assume you have 5, 1, 3, 2. I don't know what else you could do. For the B.
Here?
Yeah, that one. Right here. Or you're talking about here.
Here.
That's the part. Okay. So what you might do is this.
What'd you do?
So I did 1, 2, 5, and then because it's being rolled anyway, I'm rolling and then putting my 2 on D. Yeah.
Oh.
And then you're freed up to get that thumb down to the C again. And thank you for fixing the A flat.
I don't even know what I think I was doing.
Yeah, it's just all one gentle motion like this. It's all going this way.
Oh my gosh.
You just have to get used to that. Yep. And you've got more time than you think. That's it. That's still an A flat the second time in the left hand. Yeah, I think I heard an A natural on that.
It's
Just making sure.
sneaky flats.
Excuse me. But actually, that was not a big deal. It's ringing. That's the point. All A flats. Yeah. Still sharp. You're playing a G there. Oh no.
What?
That's an E flat.
What?
Oh. minor. This measure is major, the next measure is minor.
Oh.
Right? I think you did the minor or a mixture of major and minor the first time. Can I hear that? It's pretty dissonant. It's a C sharp, isn't it? Left hand and a B sharp. Yeah. So you got. That's what makes it effective. He's kind of going. It's funky. That's it.
Hard.
But you did this part. I felt like you actually did have. I heard all the augmented A sharp still, and then it's A dash. Yeah.
No.
F sharp.
No.
Yeah. Not too much rubato though. So that one is. It should land right with the F sharp too. Right? It's just an eighth note. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I'm sorry. Good answer. And then that one's gonna come at the same time. I felt like it was a little late. Oh, yeah, you can keep going. That's good. So yeah, let's get there, and then you actually know it better than me.
I don't know if I'm crossing correctly, but.
Hold up, first. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Do
It
one.
says.
Let me see what you did one more time from just right here.
Splitting it up differently than I did.
So did you go under after the A sharp? In the right hand? Yeah.
Maybe.
I think that is. Well, I think the big thing is it not being a maybe and knowing exactly what you do. it's less pokey when you do that. I know it's more work, but before it was kind of like but I think you'll be able to phrase it and shape it.
It's getting lost.
And it doesn't even have to be as active. I know it takes some getting used to, but musically that's already built. I know it's already built as well. Yeah. And that's where we stopped, right? And you may have to write in the fingerings that you want to use. Yeah, 2 1. 2 1 2 1. 2 1 2 1 2 1 5. And then whatever you want to there. Keep in mind you have to go up, so I would do 2 1 2 1. See how that works from my hand? 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. So I think you're trying to speed it up, but just make sure that's it. There we go. Yep. Stay close to the key. The other thing you could do is 4 3 2 1. 4 3 2 1. It's something to think about. Okay. Any questions on this? We are almost halfway through. And this is getting much better. You keep doing that, and let's see if you can add a little bit more. Even if it's only up to the next key change.
It gets a little harder.
Yeah. So maybe like from here up to maybe there. Can we try that?
Sorry.
From this key change to that key change.
Yeah, I think I need help